All right, okay. Question 11. Let me pull my pen out. Okay. All right, everybody look at question 11. Now, an aeroplane flies a distance of 84,000 meters in 5 minutes. Find the average speed of the aeroplane in meter per second and kilometer per hour. Now, every time you encounter the calculation, okay, you have to know that what you want to find and what is given to you. Okay, now in this case, you want to find the average speed. Speed S. What is given? You have distance of 84,000 labeled D in 5 minutes. This is time. Okay, so you given distance and time, you want to find speed. So what is the formula of speed again? S equals to distance divided by time. Okay, now the question wants you to express your final unit in meter per second. Meter per second and kilometer per hour. Okay, let's do one by one. We'll do the first one. Okay, meter per second first. Now, if your speed, the final unit is in meter per second, what should be the unit for your distance and time? Remember, I said both sides of the unit should be balanced, should be the same, right? Meaning that if you have meter per second over here on the left-hand side, then on the right-hand side, your distance should be meter and your time should be second, so that it balance out. Okay, meter and meter. Hold on. Okay, you have meter, meter, and second with second. Okay, now you put in the formula. 84,000 meter. That is the distance, 84,000 divided by time. So 5 minutes. Look here, the unit is different. 5 minutes, you have to change it to second. Otherwise, you will get the wrong answer. Okay, 5 minutes. Now, 1 minute, we know that 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. But how about 5 minutes? 5 minutes, then you times 60. Okay, you get 300 seconds. You have to change it to second. Okay, so 300 down here. Okay, check out your calculator. Right. You get 280 meter per second. This is your answer in meter per second. Right, we're not done yet. Okay, we still have another one, km per hour. Okay, now you can do either one of two ways to find kilometer per hour. You can either repeat this step, the calculation, but now you use km instead of meter, and you use hour instead of second. Okay, so that your final answer is in kilometer per hour. Or you can do the unit conversion. Okay, but here I'll show you the unit conversion first. Okay, so you want to convert 280. This one, you want to convert to kilometer per hour. Okay, I write it here. Okay, how do we convert? First, write it in fraction form. Okay, now this one 280 is meter per second, right? Meter per second, meaning that over second. You can write it in fraction form by writing like 280 meter over 1 second. Okay, here's how you write it. 280 meter over 1 second equal, now you want to change it to km per hour. So km, oh, my pen is lagging, wait. All right. Km per hour. Okay, so we change one by one. We change the numerator first, the one on top. Okay, 280 meter, change to km. from km to m, kilo, your prefix kilo, what do we do? We check, this is a bigger one. Km is bigger than meter. So bigger to smaller times 1000, smaller to bigger, we divide 1000. Okay, so meter to km, we divide 1000. So it's 280 divided by 1000. Over the numerator, second change to hour. Okay, write it down here. What is hour to second?
3,000.
Yes, times 3,600. So the opposite would be divide 3,600. Okay, so 1 divided by 3,600. Okay, now you calculate. Calculate the one on top first. 280 divided by 1000. Okay, be careful when you press the calculator. You have to add a bracket, or you can just calculate individually. Meaning you calculate the top one, then you write down the answer. .28 over 1 divided by 3600. You get a standard form. 2.77 times 10 to the power -4. So we just divide that to 1008. Okay, so in km per hour. This is your answer in kilometer hour.